Hey, good morning, Metropolis. It's now 5 after the hour of 6 a.m. in the big monster city. Temperature's a balmy 65 degrees, which is good news for you reptiles, and it looks like it's gonna be a perfect day to maybe, hey, just lie in bed, sleep in, or simply work out that slab that's hanging over the bed! Get up, Sully!
I don't believe I ordered a wake-up call, Mikey.
Hey, let's talk more pain, Marshmallow Boy. Feel it, bird. You call yourself a monster? Scary feet, scary feet, scary feet. Oh, the kid's awake. Okay, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary. Kids asleep. Twins in a bunk bed. Ooh, I thought I had you there. Okay, Sully, here we go. You ready? Follow me. Oh, it's over here. Oh, look over there. Don't let the kid touch you. Don't let it touch.
Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 2:30 a.m. At 1:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gregory Oregon, 8 miles west of Pinckney, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pinckney around 1:30 a.m. Brighton around 1:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lakeland, Plainfield, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Chilton, Unadilla, Pinckney State Recreation Area, and now, repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. for the following county: Livingston, Michigan.
I can't believe it.
Oh, Mike.
I was on TV! Ah, did you see me? I'm a natural! Hello? I know! Hey, wasn't I great? Did the whole family see it? It's your mom. What can I say? The camera